Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi and hi everyone. Welcome to one of Malaysia's most iconic landmarks, Masjid Sultan Salahuddin Abdul Aziz Shah, also known as the Shah Alam Mosque. Located in Shah Alam, Selangor, the majestic mosque is the largest in Malaysia and one of the largest in Southeast Asia. Construction of the mosque began in 1982 and it was officially completed in 1988. It was commissioned by the late Sultan Salahuddin Abdul Aziz Shah, the 8th Sultan of Selangor. Its massive blue and silver dome is a symbol of Islamic architecture, beautifully blending Malay and modern style. The mosque has four towering minarets, each standing at 142.3 meters tall. Inside the mosque can accommodate up to 24,000 worshippers. The walls and ceilings adorned with stunning Islamic calligraphy and intricate geometric patterns. More than just a place of worship, the mosque is a center of Islamic learning, tourism, and community gatherings. It welcomes visitors from all walks of life. Masjid Sultan Salahuddin Abdul Aziz Shah is not just an architectural wonder, it is a spiritual and cultural gem of Selangor, a must-visit destination when you are in Malaysia.